You guys, thank you for clicking that button. If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking us out. We have places and things to do, events around Tennessee, Kentucky area. We cover a lot of car shows. I won't hold you up with the boring stuff. Let's get into these cars and trucks and see what my personal favorites were. All right, my best 10. The first one up is the lowest truck. There's a lot of trucks out there, but this one just stood out to me. On to the next one. I am a GTR fanatic. Then you put an LS motor in it. Oh man, that thing was sweet looking. Best setup, I gave it to this Chevy. Had a nice air ride setup in the back, very hidden and very classy, along with under the hood. Amazing. Wildest ride. I don't even know what this thing was, but the turbos, it was loud. As you'll see, it was in the other video. Also, it was on the dyno, put out about 600 foot-pounds of torque. Best foreign. I've had a lot of VWs, but I've never thought in my day would I see a VW Bug with an LS motor. Rarest. Here we go. Here's a weird one from GM. I have no clue what this thing was. It's like a new El Camino mutt. Wow. What'd you guys think about the first half? I tell you what, there's a lot of cars there, and it was hard to really judge because they were all winners in their own way. But if you're liking this stuff, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification and the like button. We're almost to 1,000, and with your guys' support, we will hit that after this video. Love you guys. We'll see you soon. Let's get back into more of my personal awards. All right, I had an 87 Blazer, and my dream was to have a lowered one. So this one, of course, caught my eye. Best paint. This car has almost the same metallic red color that my truck does, and it just stood out to me. That's nice Chevelle. Very nice, beautiful. Best off-road. As you've seen before, I like VW Beetles, and I want to go for a ride in this thing in the desert. Wow, that travel. Woo. All right, last but not least, the best wrap was this Corvette. A nice camo color. It looked good. What an amazing show. If you haven't yet checked out the other parts, I posted 3 parts to this video of the Lsfest, and I wanted to sum it up with my personal awards. Also, you guys can win this LSX trucker hat. Pretty sweet, nice hat. All you gotta do is subscribe, help us get to 1,000, and also comment on one of the videos what your favorite ride was, and we'll be doing a drawing once we get to that 1K mark. Thanks for your support again. Check out some other videos. We're out of here. We'll see you soon.